magpapatalo. Sundin lang ang puso, di kailangang pilitin, mas kailangang piliin lang natin tayo. Kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa dulo laging may paghari. Magkaiba man ang mundo, umulan bumagyo, ikaw pa rin at ako.
I hold you in my heart, for we have shared together God's blessing.
Sa bawat araw at gabi, ala-ala ayoko at ikaw.
To love and to be with you all through the years of our lives is what I always pray for.
Sa huli tayo, kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa dulo laging may
Let's make more happiness even in the midst of struggles and sacrifice.
iba man ang
Let us live happily with our family and stay strong, living with the virtues of the Lord.